Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So our next video is a continuation of the sim installation series the video that we did in the last lecture. And this video is also related to sim installation planning part 2. Next is capacity planning. So this is a critical phase. Correct capacity planning optimizes cost while preventing problems and possible service interruptions. So in order to plan capacity, we need to determine the daily data volume. So we need to perform an assessment to determine the amount of log data that comes from the existing log sources, that is the total size of logs from different devices, applications and systems. Next is evaluation of data retention policy. Determine your long-term data retention needs. This may vary depending on regulations, industry standards, or your organization's internal policy. So we need to evaluate data retention policy. Then is calculating peak load. Predict peak load on the system during abnormal situations or security incidents. Then we also need to estimate the number of concurrent users. Determine the number of users who will access that sim solution simultaneously. Then we need to plan the distribution of components, collectors, analysis engines, interfaces, what etc. will be distributed. Redundancy and load balancing planning. Make redundancy plans for critical components. Next is planning for scalability for future growth. Design a scalable SIM architecture. Then is establishing the test environment. So create a separate environment to test your chosen SIM solution. Then check the system requirements. Regularly monitor for reviews. Now implementation strategy. SIM deployment requires a customized approach depending on the organization's requirements, budget, technical infrastructure and staff capabilities. So here are some suggestions. Due diligence. We need to evaluate the current security infrastructure, then get detailed information about log sources, available security solutions, network solutions and endpoint devices. Then is determining goals. We need to clearly define what you expect from the SIM application. For example, your expectations on using the SIM could be event monitoring, compliance reporting and then threat hunting. Then we need to separation into phases, technology selection, performing the right project team, education and awareness, and then so on. Then it's education. To properly install and use SIM, it is critical for the staff to have a proper understanding of what SIM is, how to maintain these systems. So we need to determine the purpose of education, target audience, the training methods, practical training, awareness sessions, utilizing external resources, routine trainings, etc. Then is regular review and optimization. Performance reviews, periodic reviews, capacity reviews, threat intelligence integrations, reviewing correlation rules that are like in order to minimize the unnecessary alerts, we create correlation rules. That's it for this video. As part of the preparation for successful SIM installation, what is included in planning for personnel responsible for managing the system to learn? Preparation, what is included in the planning for personnel responsible? Personnel responsible is this way. Implementation strategy. What is included in the what is included in the planning for personnel responsible? What is the key planning step to avoid issues with performance and service interruptions while optimizing costs? Wait a minute. Planning for personnel responsible. Education. Next is, what is the key planning step to avoid issues with performance and service interruptions while optimizing costs? Capacity review. Regular review could be the answer. Regular. No. Wait, let's use a hint. Determine data volume, maximum capacity planning, where the steps are determined. Okay, so data volume, I just read it here only. Just a second. Capacity planning could be the answer. Yep. That's it for this video. We'll do this installation and configuration in the next lecture. Then we have one more lecture to do list after sim installation. That's it for the series. Then we'll start with another one. Thank you for watching.